Hello, in this video I'm going to show you my attempt to fix this Kyocera FS-C5100DN color laser jet printer. It's got a problem. It is no longer printing black. The only thing it does is it prints a very light gray surface, very light gray pattern. Even other colors are okay, cyan, magenta and yellow just print fine. There are no stripes visible, but the black color does not print as it should. And so I am going to dismantle the unit as far as I can and see what I find here. Looks pretty colorful in here, so I'm going to put on some gloves. There are two Phillips head screws over here. Here we go. What I do see here on this transport belt is a stripe of black toner. I don't know. Let's clean it. That's the black drum unit. Don't see any spots on that surface. The surface is perfectly flat and clean now that I've turned it. Now on this charging drum unit there are several spots of toner which roughly correspond to the spots of toner I noticed onto the white spots on the paper. Here in front there's a groove on the right side here, or on the printer's left side, that guides the axle and this thing here into the housing. If it's right, it just slips in without any effort. Up here There are also guide rails in the housing which hook up here and here. Now you can just dive in and slip into the guide rails here, and then it slips into position. Here we are. Now let's test it. That's better. Oh, it says calibrating, please wait. Look what it's saying now. It says call service and a number, a code. Well, well, well. Got something interesting here. You can see there's a pattern on this conveyor belt, and on one side it's black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, straight, and then it's black, yellow at an 45-degree angle. And on the opposite side there's the same pattern, but the black dash is missing. Now a bit further down there's the same pattern, but with magenta and cyan, and it's the same on both sides. So I think there is something wrong with the black unit. So I'm going to disassemble and assemble it again. The 7401 error means that there is a fault in the developing unit of the black color, and the main reason stated in the service manuals is that the density signal from the density measurement is faulty, and or that the cable connection is faulty. So I'm going to remove all the stuff again and see if I can find some fault on the cables or on the connectors inside there. Okay, I think I found a possible problem. And here, down there, is the connector for the black developing unit, which tells us a fault. And as you already can see from the distance, it is covered with black toner. That is covered with black slimy stuff. So I'm going to clean that and see if we can get rid of the error. It looks like toner, but it isn't. It is the remains of some foam, like this one here. I'm using a small piece of copper wire just to pinch into the connectors and try to get out all of the stuff. I'm using some contact spray to protect the laser window here. I've simply placed a handkerchief there, and now let's spray some of this stuff here on it. I think that the piece of foam came from over here, because this one here is missing, and this is pretty brittle here. Now this printer isn't too old, maybe, I don't know. Okay, I've put it all together, no big deal. Everywhere in the plastic side panels there are small grooves which correspond to the various axles and protruding things, and they just guide the component into the right position. So there's absolutely no force necessary to put the things in place. If it doesn't slip right in, it's in the wrong place. Moment of truth. Give it power. Aha, again, 7401. Okay, so I'm probably going to order some parts. The parts have arrived. I bought both the developer unit, this one here. The code you need to look for is combined with the model of the printer. It is DV540K for the black developer unit, and this is the drum, and the drum has the code DK540. And now I'm going to install these two, and then we'll see if we've got a running printer again. Okay, new parts have been installed, and now let's see what the printer tells us this time. It's ready! Print is ready. Now let's try a test page. Here we go. All colors, including black. Okay. So the printer is fixed again, and we can work from home in full power again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.